Looking at the NDFD map as it loops through right here, strong to severe thunderstorms and heavy rainfall across the central high plains and Midwest today should shift to the northern plains by tomorrow. The heat will gradually moderate across the south. Still going to be hot though, folks, but it will be on the increase for the eastern U.S. and for the northern and central high plains. All of this and more coming up today, Thursday, July 16th, 2020. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, click the bell, and check off all to ensure you get all the latest in weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, tropical weather, anything that may be coming your way. I would appreciate it so very much. I'm trying to get my subscriber count up, so please subscribe and do so if it is your choice. I would appreciate it. Severe weather popping up today. Yes, we could have some indeed, and tomorrow it could even be a little more significant for tomorrow up in North and South Dakota and Minnesota. But for today, it's looking like strong to severe storms will be possible today from the Ozarks into the Ohio Valley and western Pennsylvania and New York. Now, additional isolated strong to severe storms, they may occur across parts of the Central Plains and parts of Minnesota. You can see right here where it is the greatest in parts of Ohio, Pennsylvania, and western New York, also over in Nebraska. But where this darker green is, don't rule out you could very well have some severe thunderstorms pop up, also up in parts of Wisconsin and Minnesota. Everywhere else, don't rule it out. Splash and dash summertime thunderstorms wherever you see this green could happen. Now, when it comes to tornadoes, the greatest tornado activity today is in western New York and also in western northwestern Pennsylvania at 5%, only 2% for Wisconsin and Minnesota. As we move down the Ohio area here, a little bit of northern West Virginia, the rest of Pennsylvania and up in New York at 2%. Now, when it comes to the wind, the most severe wind's probably going to be in parts of Ohio, western Pennsylvania, also western New York, with that chance in Nebraska at 15% also. And for the chance of hail, greatest hail chances over in Nebraska at 15%. But anywhere you see this brown, hail could occur, so don't rule it out. This, of course, is the NAM map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Before I get into this, I'd like to say, for those of you who have been following NeoWise, comment NeoWise. If you are along the eastern seaboard tonight, this might be a good night for you to try to catch it. It should be located right under, somewhere right under the Big Dipper, and the cloud conditions should be okay for most of us. Now, tomorrow, we probably still might be able to see it, but we're going to have more clouds come in. But this is going to be like from, I'd say, around 10:15 to maybe 11:30 tonight. Once again, if you're on the eastern seaboard here and you'd like to try to find NeoWise, that's the best time to do it. Now let's turn this on, check out more of the weather right quick. We'll let it run through right quickly. We do have this wavy front draping across the central portion of the country. It will be the main focus for these strong to severe thunderstorms, and areas of heavy rain is expected. And as I've showed you, they should impact the Midwest and the central high plains through morning hours, and then by afternoon, right on through tomorrow. This afternoon, right on through tomorrow. That's what I've showed you. These thunderstorms are going to push a little further eastward into the Ohio and the lower Great Lakes area, near and ahead of a wave of low pressure. Now, the wave is forecast to move into Canada as scattered thunderstorms ahead of the associated fronts move across the northeast tomorrow night into early Saturday. Meanwhile, it's so hot. I know, folks, we're baking in places. Heat and humidity will be on the increase farther down the East Coast with scattered thunderstorms into the weekend. A good chance of thunderstorms over southern Florida will edge further northward during the next couple of days, and New England will remain cool through Saturday morning ahead of the warm front. Now, as the next upper trough from the Pacific Northwest approaches, the northern plains will be under an increasing threat of severe thunderstorms tomorrow, and this is ahead of a warm front and a developing low-pressure system. Meanwhile, relatively cool air is across the northern plains and the upper Midwest, and it's going to give way to intensifying heat, especially further west across the northern central high plains, where high temperatures are forecast to top the century mark beginning tomorrow behind the warm front. The excessive heat across the south has moderated to more tolerable levels. It's still so hot, though. Heat advisories are still in effect today across the interior sections of the lower Mississippi Valley. And finally, we have some monsoonal showers and thunderstorms that are expected to linger over the central and southern Rockies right on through the weekend. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, sharing this information with your family and friends and on your social media. So far as tropical weather for the Atlantic, looks like nothing's going to happen in the next 5 days. Stay safe, my friends. Take care of yourselves. If you see any threatening skies, please make sure you take cover. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.